Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save data on Spotify. And to do that, you are just going to go to settings. So click on the gear icon over here and select data saver. Here you can set your music quality to low to save more data. You can also download audio only, and you can also stream audio only by enabling it all, and it'll hopefully save your data on Spotify. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!